Picture this situation. Imagine this piece of wood is people's worst nightmare, Justin Bieber. Yeah! Well, that was fun. And this is what's left of Justin Bieber. Hello! Good old Fallout 3. We're just waiting for people to come.
Let's kill some bigots at 10p.
What are bigots?
Rich, posh, stuck-up people who don't like poor people.
Oh. I just learnt what a bigot is. Play that song again, the Feel short on guitar. And you wish to be the weight of the guiding, and your hot dogs are in the oven, and I wish I could put some anchovies on that pizza, but I ran out of anchovies yesterday. Oh, my anchovies have once again run out on me. Olivia's arrived. She's playing guitar. Hello? Who's this?
Hello.
He's what now?
On your ass.
This is Jack's sat-nav.
This is my machine.
I can't even see anything. I might have to turn the light on.
Now Jack knows where he is.
No, Emily, come back.
The cat comes up before the thing turns on. There's my cat.
That's a cat.
Yeah, it's not on yet.
Is that telling you have to go to your cat?
It kind of looks cool.
Right, poke. Oh, look.
No, you wait.
Yeah, but it's skinny.
Almost. Yes. Yay! Hey,
Right.
Shauna.
I found it. Look.
It's not very bad there.
Right, okay.
Where did we want to go? Where should we go? Let's go to a food hotel. Hotel food.
I can't believe we're actually looking at this food.
Oh my god. It looks for what type of food you want. This is the best machine in the world. I'm in the mood for seafood, aren't you?
Yeah, sushi sounds good.
We go. It's in Essex. We're gonna walk there.
We're gonna walk to Essex. To seafood.
Oh, we could just not.
This is the people so far that are here. Hey, Emily.
I live here.
We're having Olivia.
Hey, Matt.
Hello, Matt. I love you. I'm on Matt's list as well.
Who's on Matt's list?
I said
Who's
I
on
love
my
you.
list?
Matt's list.
Hey, me! I've got people want me. Stop teabagging me. Hey, guys.
It is my camera / iPod.
I'm dying on the floor.
Oh, can you gay man?
Can you gay man? Ray man? Why are you still there? You sure you didn't order Chinese food?
So many.
Hello, Kim Kardashian.
You must leave him.
She mine.
Matt's new name is now going to be... Say it.
Kim Kardashian.
There's a map.
I remember the barbed wire that goes up my body.
You've got a what going?
China. That's where your dad's from.
That's fun.
Yeah.
China.
And then kicked him in the head.
The most spastic insert me face, but okay. Don't have to get the camera, I'm just waiting for them to fall.
But then we'd probably destroy Tom's Xbox.
No!
I probably still have my superpowers from yesterday. Because I drank yesterday.
Yeah. No, because I don't.
This is the only part where I feel myself.
For all you know, I might live. Oh,
Hello, this is Tom Holly here. I love men. Real bad.
Do it in HD.
Really?
Oh no, he's yellow.
Hey, Anna.
Really baggy.
Don't look at my hair, it's horrible. I love you. I love you. I love your hair.
This what now? What that
Journey to the bin. This is our journey to the bin. Look.
It's in there.
Boom. That's amazing.
Hey, what does that remind me of? Oh, don't answer. Everyone is now here at the Holly residence. The time is 6:30. Let's see what people are doing.
Oh no.
Kim Kardashian and Jack Durbin are shooting stuff on Just Cause 2. Shauna Buckley is sitting and fiddling with the knobs on my amp.
The top on mine. Oh no!
On my. I have several knobs. Emily is sexually pinching up. Oh, hello, father. Huh? We're waiting for the fireworks.
I just don't think why am I doing it?
You just died, upside down face. King Kardashian, upside down face.
Oh, this is so tight.
Oh, it's just...
So yeah, it was a 50.
I did not actually mean
tight
to
is
say
it?
that on purpose.
Yay, fireworks. Zoom! We're the only two people that have made it outside. Yeah, this isn't good. How are we the only two people that have made it outside? Stop posing, okay? You just got to talk to the camera. You don't have to be like... We're still just getting out. Oh, wow. They're actually all coming out now.
No, that's mine. That's mine. No, it's mine.
Look, I'm filming everyone. It's not all about you, okay? They're actually trying to get out, but I don't think they want to leave the Xbox. Hi, Jess. Hi,
Tom.
You're the only one that. Ow! Hello, dog. You're gonna burn. I get away from that. No, Dad. Yay, sparks! Ah, oh my god. That's the worst fail. King Kardashian.
Oh, you have to get away from that.
Got any more barbed wire for me?
Give me because my face is ugly.
I'm gonna zoom in on it now. Hey, Anna.
Don't zoom in. We don't do it.
This is an ice cube in my shoe. Who the hell actually put... This is you. This is you, wasn't it?
And there's not an ice cube in the other shoe as well.
What the... Are you serious?
Yep.
What the hell? Why have I got ice cubes in my shoe?
I know it's for the first time today.
You're insane.
Do it! Oh.
Ah!
My heart.
Oh.
Target.
Let me try.
Yes, we win!
But it is puny. My fire gnomes will surely destroy your ice
Because we are
cube.
still in minute form at the moment.
Your nude form?
Minute. My ice cube was, it went out.
Bang! Yes! My sparkler's near my face.
Oh, yes!
I'm waving my sparkler around. I'm gonna get an assembly when we get back about fireworks safety, but then it will be too late. Shauna's going to die. There's only now 2 people left in my household.
Besides yourself.
And... douchebag. As you can tell, it's the morning.
Morning after.
Thing. Silhouette, yay.